haste hapangni juda-juda scheme juda-juda shepshap rokno lokorokni bisingo sogirnani nahar mongbai baithangni Bidhan Sabha amchaini juda-juda tangphangrokno logio tui koglamo achukha Nolchor Bidhan Sabhani MLA haste kuchokrung tangbedek ni montri Kishor Bormon Fashlo Nolchor Block Panchayat Samitini Committee Holnogo achugui koglam Shalaikha Bonokari Tongo Sipajula Hankor Porishoder Sabhadipoti Supriya Das Dotto Additional Hankorfa Debashish Dotto Sunamura Bukhastefa Rajo Deb Nolchor Block Development Officer Khobui Tongbayo Juda Juda Adongro
एक बेहतरीन करियर सिर्फ ख्वाब देखने से नहीं, एक सही कॉलेज चुनने से शुरू होता है। वेलकम टू विनायका इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ हेल्थ साइंसेज अगरतला, affiliated to Tripura University, approved by Government of Tripura, Department of Health and Family Welfare, Tripura Nursing Council and Tripura State Allied and Healthcare Council. Choose from BSc Nursing, GNM, BMLT or BMRIT. Admissions open for 2026-27. Address Airport Road, Nutan Nagar, Agartala. Join Vinayaka Institute of Health Sciences, where future healthcare professionals begin their journey.